Hey guys, we're live at 7:45, running a 2-winner mini for Ken's Ewoks figure. I got 25 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winners. You can see there, top 2 win spots in the main. I'm going to paste them in. We got 25 there, which is neat. I'm going to roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get at least a 5. I got a 4, so I'm rolling again. Got a 5. We're in just under the wire. We're good to go. Good luck, guys and gals, as we get down to business. Steve takes round 1. Nick 2 and 3. Dustin in the top spot for our next to last round, bringing us invariably, if I can spell it, to the final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And our winners are Steve and Jay. Congrats, fellas. Here's the verification at the bottom of our list. ZJUQDP. There you have them. Our winners. I'm done at 7:46 p.m. Eastern Time. There it is. Again, here's our winners. Congrats, fellas. See you around.